This brief video will show you how to change the time on your interactive security keypad. Prior to programming the time on your keypad, you should know that you'll be entering a total of 10 digits. These digits will represent the time in military format and the date in a 6-digit format. For example, if the time is 12 noon, then you would enter 1200. If the time was 1 p.m., then you would enter 1300, and so on. Also, if the date were January the 1st of 2009, then you would enter 010109. To change the clock on your keypad, you will enter the time programming by pressing *6. Then enter your 4-digit master code. Then press the number 1, and then finally enter the time and date. Then press the pound button 3 times to exit programming. Allow a few moments to pass and the keypad will update the clock. We hope this video has been helpful. For other informative videos, feel free to browse our website, and as always, thank you for choosing Interactive Security.